What's up, you guys? It's Danielle. I'm so excited to be filming this video because it's a What's in My Purse video featuring my Chloe Faye bag. She's a keeper. I asked you guys on Twitter, and if you don't follow me on Twitter, pause at Danielle Carolyn. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, pause at Danielle Carolyn. It's a good time over there. I asked you guys on Twitter, I did one of those poll things and asked you guys what videos you wanted to see most, and the one you voted on most was a What's in My Purse bag. And I don't blame you. I'm really creepy too, and I like to know what's in people's purses, so let's do it. I'm so excited. I'm in a really good mood. My phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. Do you guys know what that's from? If you don't say Wonder Pets, well, I just said it, so, but I used to watch Wonder Pets. It's a good show. So this is the bag. I love her so much. She's very photogenic. I'm so thankful to have her. Sorry, I shouldn't keep calling her her. That's weird. Anyways, this is the bag, and I like it because, one, you can wear it just like this, like a shoulder bag, but then I'm pretty short and I have a short torso, so sorry, I'm wearing Nike shorts. I'm cheating. It's perfect because it's like a crossbody too, and I love it so much, and it fits enough, and it's super stylish, and it goes great with a lot of different outfits, and it's just the bag of the moment right now for me. So you guys are probably like, okay, we get it, thanks. Let's see what's inside. So let's get on and get in this bag, and I will show you guys everything that's in here. Everything. I don't know exactly what's in here, so we'll see. Okie dokie. So this looks all confusing, but literally it's just a nice little magnetic button right there, or snap. I adore it. So it's really cool on the inside. It's like an accordion, I kind of like to explain it as, and it fits a lot. Like, it looks kind of small, but it's small but mighty, let me tell ya. So first you've got like just one of those normal little zipper pouches things that are attached to it. So I have in here one of my favorite perfumes and a little sample. Always get samples of your favorite perfume, so you don't have to carry it around all the time, and it's just nice when you go out or if you're traveling, you just always have this. This is called Rose of No Man's Land from Byredo. I love it. It's so nice. I'm gonna spritz a little on myself, treat myself here. I also have a little Bobbi Brown stick concealer in case I just need to do a little spot cover in there. And then I also have one of these because I do have eyelash extensions, so you don't wear mascara or anything like that. You just kind of use these and brush them, and it's just kind of fun in the middle of the day if I'm bored, if I'm in traffic. It's fun. It's okay. Now for just kind of the two main compartments. The first compartment, I have my sunglasses. These are also sunglasses that I've been wearing a lot lately. I got them from shopditto.com. It's where you can get designer sunglasses and rent them once a month for like $30 to $40. They have Ray-Bans, they have Prada sunglasses, they have Alexander Wang. Like, they have so many different brands of sunglasses that you can rent, and then you can also buy from the website as well, which is what I do. So I will have a coupon code down below. It's, I believe, Danielle Marie, and you can get your first month free of trying out a free pair of designer sunglasses for a month, which is pretty cool. So I always like to shout that out. I'll have that link down below. It's Shop Ditto. I'm really into these types of sunglasses right now, and these are the ones I've been wearing a lot lately. You might have seen them a lot on my Instagram. So yeah, that's why they're in my bag, because they're just like my most worn sunglasses, so I just kind of keep them in there. I love them. They're like a gunmetal kind of rim, and then they're just like black lenses, and it's pretty cool. You can like see my ring light. Whoa. Looks like I have eyes. Ah. Oh my god, that's so creepy. Say cheese! So I have my vlogging camera in here because the last time I was using this bag. So I have my vlogging camera in here in case, you know, I gotta do some vlogging here and there. I always do like weekend in my life and things like that. But it has a flip out camera. This is like the camera that like a lot of vloggers use. So you can be like, hey, like you can see yourself. This is the Canon G7X. It's nice and small and it fits in my bag. Then I have this, and you might have seen this at like the checkout line when you're at Urban Outfitters. It's from the brand Herbivore Botanicals, and it's the Hydrate Facial Toning Elixir. I actually genuinely use this. Like, I didn't just buy it because it was cute, which I've heard some people do. Someone was like, I just bought that because it was cute, and I never used it. I love this because I am on Accutane right now, if you guys didn't know, and it makes my skin kind of dry throughout the day. Not too bad. Like, I don't have it super bad except for like my lips, but it's just nice, even if you don't have dry skin, to just refresh yourself. I'm just spraying all kinds of things right now, aren't I? But yeah, I just like feel instantly refreshed. It smells wonderful, and it kind of doubles as a body mist, so go get you some. Then I have one of my favorite lip colors from Makeup Academy. This is in the color Blush. It's a wonderful lip gloss kind of deal, and I just always have some sort of lip product in my purse. I have my favorite hand lotion. This is L'Occitane Dry Skin Hand Cream. I got it in my Christmas stocking. I get it in my stocking often because this stuff smells so good. And it's just like if I'm sitting in a waiting room at an office or I'm in traffic or whatever, it's just really fun to put on hand lotion. And might I say, all my friends are like, whoa, your hands are so soft. And I'm like, thanks. Oh, here comes the random stuff. Okay, so I've got a pen because don't be that person that doesn't have a pen. I always am so happy when someone's like, does anyone have a pen? I'm like, got you. Then I have a movie stub because during winter break, I went to like a lot of movies and it's so much fun. Like me and my friends like went to like a movie like every other day. Okay, not actually, but like it's really fun to go to the movies and just kind of power off and not be on your phone. I love it. It's so much fun. This is from the movie Why Him? If you haven't seen it yet, that movie is so funny. If you saw it, please comment down below and tell me what you thought. Then I have my wallet. This is a Louis Vuitton like zippy wallet or whatever. And then I have my keys attached to it because I always freak out if I like bring my keys and then I don't have my wallet. We're done. But if I always have my wallet with me, I have to have my keys. Then I have my phone. I have this white marble phone case on it that a lot of you guys asked me about. I literally went on Amazon. I have the iPhone 6s Plus. I really like it. I'm so happy I went with the Plus. It's just great. I love it. My hands are really small, but it's still really worth it. I just feel so luxurious while I'm like typing on it, and it's easier and it's better for photos and such. But anyways, this phone case, it's a white marble iPhone 6s case, 6s Plus case that I Googled or I searched on Amazon. Go to Amazon.com, search white marble iPhone 6s Plus case. This was like $11. What? Now I have random papers. Let's see. Then I also have another lip product. This is the CoverGirl Lip Perfection Jumbo Gloss Balm. We're gonna put some on right now. And then let's see what else. Ooh, we have a Visa gift card. Ooh, more movie stubs. Okay, so we have like a movie receipt thing. Oh, a ticket to a Tampa Bay Lightning hockey game. And then another ticket to a Tampa Bay Lightning hockey game. So I guess I should dispose of those now. One more movie stub, La La Land. Oh my gosh, this movie was with Ryan Gosling and Emma Stone. I thought it was kind of weird at first because like it was like a musical, but it was like a movie. But man, it was so good. I was crying one second, laughing the next. I ended the movie crying, sobbing. My friends were so embarrassed. They were like, Danielle, you can't be crying that hard right now. You're making a scene. But like the ending is just so touching and wow. So that's everything in my purse. It was kind of fun seeing what was in there, you know, just to reflect on memories. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do recommend if you are looking for this bag or looking into getting it, I suggest it. I've used it even more than I thought I would. It's super high fashion and really cute, but also good for like day to day when you're just